Hi everybody, another day, another unboxing, and as I always say, I've been waiting a long time for this package. It's G-Shock watches, and why I say I've been waiting a long time for this is because earlier this spring, maybe even this winter, I saw the Red Out collection. G-Shock celebrates 35 years this year, 35th anniversary, and I love red G-Shock. I've had at least 5 of them, and I have 2 of them still. One that's not available anymore, I can't remember the name of that model, and one that's from the 30-year anniversary. I'm gonna show them to you. So yeah, I got a couple of watches here, and I'm gonna do one video of every model. So I'm starting off with the Red Out one, and as I said, red G-Shock is so nice. I think that everyone that likes G-Shocks, of course, should have one all white, one all black, and one all red in their collection. There were 4 or 5 models in the Red Out collection, and I think that I bought the wrong one because I really prefer the DW6900 model. It's a classic model. It's the one that I prefer, but I was curious about this new model. And the other ones were all red, really all red, but this one have white arms. So that's maybe the part that I'm not so sure that I like. And then this button, I'm gonna turn off the light and show you, that lights up the display, is very weak. The DW6900 lights up the whole display, so yeah, I should have got that one instead. The rubber feels softer than usual, and it's really the right red, because I'm gonna get my other ones and show you. This is matte red, and I love that. And then we have the clasp that I didn't know until now. That's our shiny black, and that's way better than your standard chrome. Let me see if I can take this protection film off. So 35th anniversary, PVD, black, whatever. Oh, it's black in the bottom as well. I like that. Yeah, that was nice. I haven't seen that on any G-Shock model before, so that was cool. This model is called GA-735C. Is that really correct? Feels like it's a short name. Yeah, GA-735C-4A. 4A, as you know, means that it's red. So yeah, a really cool watch. This is the biggest one of them, so that's why I chose it. I also like the double clasp with the double holes on the strap. Oh, it's so good. It looks a lot better on arm. It really does. So yeah, now I really like it. And the loop holder, or the loop, is shiny on the sides and matte in the middle where it says 35th anniversary. So this is a cool watch. I'm gonna get my other red ones and maybe film a bit closer and show you, so I'll be right back. Alright, so let's try this. This is the 30-year anniversary with glossy red and gold details, gold clasp or lock. This is a super cool watch, but when I'm wearing a red watch, I always use this instead, because glossy red, I don't have any glossy red shoes. I would like to have the 4Lab, the Air Jordan 4 Lab that is shiny red. I think this will go great with that one. I bought this one to match yeah, some shoes I have somewhere, but I actually haven't worn it any, maybe once. This lights up like this, if you can see it. Maybe I'll try with the windows closed. This one I really like, and this is very close. Just a bit shaded, a bit brighter, but I really like this. When it's dark, it really glows. This is a nice watch. This model isn't available anymore, and this one goes for crazy prices now, like $500 or something. And then we have this again. Softer, really softer. And the light is bright, but I'm gonna close the windows, wait. Alright, so I don't know, I don't like that, because I can't see the display any clearer just because of that light. Of course I can see the white arms, but I see them anyway. This is much better. And this. So yeah, I'm probably gonna sell this one and buy the DW6900 instead. So this one in this red. So yeah, this is for sale. It is. So I'm gonna show you 2 more videos. So hit me thumbs up, please subscribe. I really need to hit that 1,000 subscribers and hit that bell button. So these are my red G-Shocks. I ordered, a couple of years ago, I ordered a DW6900 in this red, because there was none, so I ordered a custom made one. And I sold that one. I had a bunch of red G-Shocks. So red is super nice. Show you on the arm again. Now it's really dark in here, but I think it shows even better how good it looks. So yeah, I like it, but just not this model. Alright, thanks.